Dive into a new communication experience. Express yourself with Pics, the first smart animated backpack that illuminates your flow and reveals it to the world. How does it work? You control it through your smartphone. Simply download the app and connect it to the backpack. Enjoy dozens of pictures and cartoons available in the app. Choose your favorite one and it appears on the backpack. Express your creativity. Create your own art and share it. It can be either a picture or a cartoon. The only limit is your imagination. Use the Pics app to personalize your backpack as much as you like. It's easy and fun. Communicate with the world around you. Share something you care about. Your moods and feelings, what you're up to, your favorite music, anything you like. How about interactive features like notifications and widgets? Let your Pics backpack help you in everyday life. After all, the Pics is still a backpack for your stuff. It's designed to be roomy, convenient, and stylish, and has enough compartments to carry everything you need. Highlight your personality with Pics.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate.
Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
Pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body. And yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, Object Orbit, and Return to Remote Control Location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
Introducing the Cosyspeed Phone Slinger, the world's first camera bag dedicated specifically to smartphone photography. Cosyspeed is the only camera bag company focused on keeping your gear protected, but ready. With our one-handed, easy-access design, professional photographers all over the world trust Cosyspeed for our quality, style, and dependability. And now we're back again with the best photography solution for your mobile phone. For those who never want to miss a shot, the Phone Slinger Power features a long-lasting QI power bank so that your phone is always wirelessly charging and ready. If you work outside and need a rugged design that will withstand the elements, the Phone Slinger Outdoor features the same reinforced design as our customers expect from our outdoor Cam Slinger bag. You can attach it to your Cam Slinger or to any backpack, camera bag, or strap. Both the Phone Slinger Power and Outdoor bags feature a magnetic fidlock closure, allowing you to easily access your phone on the go with one hand. We're also introducing the Phone Slinger Prime, which holds your phone and up to 4 lenses such as the popular Moment lenses. Just zip open the flip-down pouch and attach your desired lens. Or you can get the Prime pouch to hold your lenses while the Phone Slinger Power charges your phone. All Phone Slinger bags feature high-quality fabric, insulated protective plastic, and the modular ability to attach our flow belt and belt pad. Use the flow belt with whichever combination of bags and accessories fit your needs. No matter what type of smartphone photographer you are, there is a Phone Slinger for you. Our high-quality, stylish bags are German-engineered and certified by SGS for fair working conditions and environmentally friendly manufacturing. The Cosyspeed Phone Slinger makes smartphone photography smarter.
What if you could speak any language? Would you travel more? Would you meet new people? This is LANGOGO, Hannah's favorite pocket translator and must-have for her travels. With LANGOGO, there are no more language barriers. LANGOGO can translate 60 languages, giving you the confidence to travel far and connect with locals. We designed LANGOGO to be your portable Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can connect with anyone, anywhere. LANGOGO is incredibly accurate. Each device houses 2 built-in microphones with noise-canceling technology.
この家がどこにあるか知っていますか?
¿Sabe usted dónde está?
Esta casa está al final de la calle.
Allowing for better speech recognition and more accurate translation.
こんにちは.
Hello, my name is Michael.
こんにちは.
Push to talk, you can speak directly into LANGOGO and have your message translated. Travel with the confidence to speak to anyone.
サンドイッチとシャルドネーのグラスをお願いします.
I'll have a sandwich and a glass of Chardonnay, please.
Stay connected and navigate like a local.
I'm so happy you are here.
あなたがいてくれて嬉しいわ.
私は素晴らしい1日を
Unlike other translators on the market, LANGOGO supports real-time two-way translation. Now that's a real conversation you can have. LANGOGO helps you better connect with almost anyone, anywhere.
Je suis tellement heureuse que tu sois venue.
Don't just look at the world around you, hear what it has to say. LANGOGO, a better way to connect.